So in the earlier days, Royal Enfield used to make bikes which were heavy and slow moving, and the audience as well was happy owning those slow and steady bikes because the audience was moving slow and steady. But in the due course of time, they moved on to bigger, better bikes, and they also kind of grew old. And now Royal Enfield needed new customers. Royal Enfield needed new customer base. So in order to get a new customer base, they got down to making a bike which was catering to an audience which is new age, which was wanting to do more with less hassle. But as a brand, where will you find new customers? See, it's been a simple formula for ages. You find new generation of customers and you market them a starting level product. But the new generation wants more of everything, more rideability, more performance, more handleability with less hassle. And in order to do that, brands do a lot of research and development even before they start making a product. And this is the kind of research and learnings that have gone into making such product. A product like Hunter. Now usually you mix and match and create a cheap product for the customer base that you want to cater to, but in this case they haven't. Look at it and tell me where they've lost track. There is no such part which says that I'm a part of another bike. They've actually redeveloped the exhaust. There are new suspensions, there are new lights and new tires with alloys. So from front to the back, everything has been catered to this new generation of audience and to appeal to this new generation of audience.
And for the second time in their lineup, RE has spent more time on handling dynamics. And this time, it's bang on. It's neutral, it's forgiving, and it's planted. Moreover, it's more fun. Everything a today's rider would want with a bike of this capacity. And when I say planted, it's planted even on tricky corners. You don't believe me? Try it for yourself.
It also feels peppier than other bikes of the same engine segment. That's because it has a lighter clutch case and a better mapping for making it, better on the road. And it also appeals better to the new age customer. Now, because it is lighter, it handles better. Because it is lighter, it gives you better mileage. Because it is lighter, you can actually go the distance without getting tired. The biker Royal Enfield was catering to a couple of years back, a decade back, which was lazy, slow and steady with a clunky gear change and whatnot. All that is not in this. It's a smooth vehicle with beautiful gear changes and lighter mannerisms, which will appeal to the new generation audience. And this, to me, as a biker, gives me a reassurance that if I buy this bike, I will be readying myself for a better riding capabilities and better riding projects for the future. So we come down to the question, the very important question, that is, what is Hunter? See, to me, Hunter is a bike which is energetic, which is peppy, which is made for the new audience. And I think if you buy this, then you're signing up for becoming a better rider for the future, because it's going to teach you A, corners, B, braking, C, comfort, and all that with a package which is giving run for its money to Honda. So I look at it this way. You remember Mustang? Mustang started as a secretary's car, but look at it now. It's counted in one of the most best and the fastest looking cars in the world. It's a similar kind of a scenario with RE. It started as a lazy, slow-moving, clunky gearbox and a heavy clutch bike. But all that is gone. All that is gone so far back that now this feels more like a Honda than an RE. And I think that is evolution. And this evolution, I reckon that it's going to take RE a very, very long road, and it's going to get us very, very nice products in the future as well. And all this R&D and learning, making bikes which are now feeling even better than Hondas these days. So that, I think, guys, RE is doing better than any other manufacturer today in the country. Your favorite influencer is not gonna say this, but I think this platform is gonna go into the Interceptor 3.0 as well. Look at it. All these parts, I think, will probably go into the looks of it, will go into the Interceptor 3.0 as well. And that is gonna be a hell of a machine. I wish we had these bikes in our times, in the past. But anyways, it's the future, and I really want one of these. So bye.